So here's the box that the massager comes in. Let's get it open and check it out. So we're just going to grab it by this handle right here and pull it out. So it comes in a case right here with the APHERMA labeling right here. It's got a double zipper right here, one that goes this way, one that goes this way, and they come back together up there, and they go all the way down to the bottom of this case right here. This has a solid feel to it, but still has a little bit of give as well, so it's not rock solid. And we have this handle that I pointed out that has this rubber mat over top of it that makes it feel nice and comfortable and pretty sturdy as well. So let's get this whole thing open and check out the actual massage gun on the inside. And there we go. We can see that it comes in some packaging right here, some plastic packaging. This is the actual device itself. So we get that. We get a USB to a USB-C power cord. We get another bag right here. It feels like some kind of bag of accessories. And we also get a user manual, which tells us the name of all of these different massage heads here. This one's called round shape, mushroom shape, U shape, conical shape, curved head, tower head, spade head, thumb, and sector. And the massage gun itself has a charging port on the bottom right here and an easy off and on switch right there. And when we have it on, we'll be able to control for the speed and the power with displays up here and a plus and minus sign here to adjust them. And it's pretty lightweight, fits easily in one hand like this. You could hold it with two hands if you want to as well. It's big enough for that. Most of the weight is in the top of the device here, and it looks like it's going to be really easy to install things on it. I just pushed it in there and it's already ready to go. And if I wanted to start massaging, I'm just going to start hitting this button right here. And there you go. You can see it starts moving already and vibrating around. You can see that it's got a lot of motion to it there. And it feels really soft and nice like that. So I'm looking forward to using this more.